training. What does tailored training look like? Hey, listen, if you came in with a PMP, a CAPM, I shouldn't be going over the basis of a PMBOK guide with you. If you didn't, now we need to start there. We need to understand where the candidate is, or I should say the new project manager is, and build from there. There's so many times we're putting project managers through training that is taken away from the opportunity, or no, watch this. I like this even better. We put them in training that is not valuable to the organization or the project manager. It's not valuable because they've already experienced that particular training. So we have to build a report and say, here's our body of training. Where do you fit into that? First, we open it up to them to say, what would you like to know more about and learn more about? That's how we build that tailored training. We customize it to each project manager. I know a lot of people are not going to like that. They just probably want to start them through the beginning course and then the next. No, it's not valuable. We're trying to build. No. We will build valuable project managers, and doing that is customizing the training that meets their particular need. Let's move on to point number 7. Man, I want to say message here because this is key.